Ideally, this is what my closet would look like.
So that makes sense.
Hello, and good afternoon, everybody. I never filmed my intro standing up, so this feels weird, but I kind of like it. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a closet revamp, I guess you could call it. I've been meaning to clean out my closet for weeks now because I have a bunch of old shirts that I just need to get rid of. And also, I'm leaving for uni in about 2 months, and I obviously can't bring everything with me, so I need to sort through my clothes. But at the same time, I also want to buy a couple of new things because I haven't been shopping in a minute. So I'm going to get rid of old clothes and then spice up my closet with a couple new ones. So let's get straight into this video. It's currently like 3 o'clock. I was supposed to start earlier today, but then my camera died. So we're a little bit behind schedule, but it's okay. Let's go. This here is my closet. As you can tell, it is kind of a mess. In my head, this is organized because I know where everything is, for the most part. But when friends come over, they're always like, what the fuck is wrong with your closet? So clearly, we need to make some adjustments. Why is there like a bird's nest outside of my house? I'm hoping that I can get through sorting all of my clothes today, but I have a feeling I might not be able to finish all of it. So this is pile number 1. I'm starting off with crop tops, so this is pile number 1. Oh my god, these are a lot of clothes. Some of these clothes are so old. Why have I not gotten rid of this stuff? Let's get started. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a for sure pile, a maybe pile, and a no pile. This is cute. Yes. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, this has a stain. This is the no pile. I feel like I have a lot of shirts that I don't necessarily gravitate towards, but might be good to just like, I don't know, I don't want to get rid of them. These shirts though, oh my god, bye-bye. And this is the keep pile. On to my t-shirts and more full-length shirts. This is making me realize how many just like basic white tops I have. Cardigan that was way too expensive, I'm keeping. This top is always wrinkled, but it's still very cute. 100% keeping. Forgot I owned this shirt. Okay, we're getting rid of this. Brandy Melville. This, no. This, no. I forgot I owned this shirt. Like a crop turtleneck thing. Should I keep this? Okay, but how much am I gonna realistically wear this? I'll keep it. I think the thing with a lot of these tops is that I've not necessarily outgrown them, but I've just worn them so many times that I'm just kind of sick of them. This shirt, still cute, would probably still buy this if it was new, but I've just worn it so many times that I'm just like, this basic white top has a hole in it, but I don't have another one, so I have to keep this. Next up, skirts. One of my favorites, keeping. Also, only just recently bought this, so keeping for sure. Black bodycon skirt, always good to have. Oh, I don't know about this one. I've had this for so long. Like, am I gonna wear it? Maybe. I have 2 like businessy skirts that I kind of need just for formal occasions. Progress is being made. Hoodies. I don't know what an appropriate amount of hoodies to have is because I have like 4 that I wear all the time, but then these I wear like occasionally. This has sentimental value, but I don't really ever wear it because it's kind of tight on me. I'm so bad at this. I fucking hate going through my clothes. I never realized how many shorts I have that just don't fit me. Next up, we've got pants and jeans. Oh my god, that's kind of heavy. These were cute, but they do not fit me. Keeping my 1 pair of sweats. None of my black jeans fit me, so that's actually one thing I need to buy. This is the keep pile. I've done quite a lot, so I'm gonna go downstairs, have a snack. Leftovers, yay! Oh no, I burned it. Shit. Okay, I just finished eating and it's currently like 5:30. Don't ask why I ate at such a weird time. I'm actually gonna stop for the day because the sun's about to start going down and I've been doing this for like 2.5 hours now, so I'm gonna take a break and then I can just continue tomorrow. Okay, I took a bit of a break, so it's been a couple of days, but today I'm gonna finish going through the stuff in my closet. I only have like some smaller piles left, so those should be quick. So let's tackle this top bit. Before, after, going through that made me realize how badly I need to buy new workout clothes too. This is the final pile. This is like a mix of really random stuff. I think I have some school uniforms and then like some really old shirts. I'll just go through it real quick. Oh my god, cute. Old Justin Bieber t-shirt. Basically what I've done is I've made like a sentimental pile. So these are like old clothes or like souvenirs, things from school, whatever, that I'm not really gonna wear, but I just want to keep. These I'm obviously not gonna take to uni with me. Holy shit. It already looks so much cleaner. I went through my maybe pile off camera just because I don't want this video to get too long. But the final step that I'm gonna do now is go through everything that I'm getting rid of and see what I could potentially sell. There's quite a few pieces that I have that are in good condition that I think I could sell on something like Depop. So let's do that. There's also a couple tops that I have that I think my friends would be interested in. I know B said that she would take this one off of me because I know it's more her style than it is mine. Let's go through. And we are done. These are the things I'm going to try and list. These are the things I'm donating. And these are just clothes that are like too old to even donate. Like they have holes in them and are just like, I need to toss out. Yay, I feel so accomplished. I'm finally done. Now we can move to the second part of this video, which is the new stuff I'm gonna get. Fun fact, while cleaning out my closet, I rediscovered these boy shorts that I own, which I didn't think I had, but they're very comfy. I'm vibing with them. Before I buy anything new, I kind of want to go through my Pinterest and just take a look at like the type of clothes that I've been wanting recently, and I can get a better idea of what I'm looking for. I might even make a list of some of the things that I've been wanting. That way I can like visually see what I actually need and what is just like stuff that I want because it's trendy. I just want to make sure that if I'm purchasing from a brand that isn't super eco-conscious, that at least the thing that I'm buying is gonna like be a staple in my wardrobe and I'm actually gonna get a lot of use out of it rather than like me not paying a lot and then wearing it like twice. Say no to fast fashion. So yeah, let's take a look. Ideally, this is what my closet would look like. I'll insert a bunch of photos and things on the screen right now to give you a better idea of the vibe that I'm kind of going for, or like what I want to dress like. One thing that I really need is like sweats, because I literally have like one pair, and more like oversized t-shirts because I literally have none. I really like the little cardigan vibes. I feel like that would be good as well because during the times where it's not as cold in Montreal, I'll be able to like layer that with shirts underneath. That way it's not like I'm buying like crop tops. I have so many basics that I need more statement pieces, but statement pieces scare me because I feel like once you've worn them a couple times, it's like you get sick of them easier. And I want to make sure that what I'm buying, I'm actually going to be able to use for like long periods of time. I really like this bandana trend. I just don't know if I could pull it off. This bikini is really cute, but I'm not going to buy a swimsuit because I'm not going to need it for like the next year. Fuck. Okay. Oh, I want a Fendi shoulder bag so badly, but they're so expensive. But like, look how cute. Maybe I'll buy a fake one. Okay, that was pretty productive. I feel like now we can get to buying. Also, side note, my hair's wet and not oily. I don't know if it looks like it is. Oh my god, my fit is fantastic. I personally feel like I can always find nicer clothes online, but with sizing and like prices online being quite a lot and then shipping on top of that, I'm gonna try and see what I can find in person first. I'm hoping that I can find some basics so that I can splurge on online like statement pieces. So let's go downtown and see what I can find. Mask on, obviously. Let's go. Okay, it's been a little bit, but now moving on to, in my opinion, the most exciting part of this video, which is everything that I ended up buying. I'm gonna be trying everything on. 2 of the things that I got are in the laundry, so I'll just insert photos of those. But other than that, let's get straight into it. Sorry. I'm gonna start off with everything that I got in store first. First off, from Zara, I bought this tank top. Super basic. It's just a black crop tank. Comfy, and I feel like it literally goes with everything, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be able to get a lot of use out of this. And then while I was cleaning out my closet, I noticed that I don't have a lot of sweats. So I copped, I don't know why I did a little spin. I copped this black pair from Nike. These are from the men's section, and you can low-key tell, but I don't care because these are super comfy. They just have the little Nike logo. But that's about it. Other than that, they're super plain, which is good. They literally go with everything, and they're just like good to lounge around in. Next up, from the store called Cotton On, I just got this black tank top. This is a bit longer, so I've rolled it up to prop it a little bit more. Super basic again, but I feel like it's cute if you like dress it up with some accessories. Like I've got a chunky necklace on, sunglasses if you get a cute bag. I don't know. I'm a fan. And then the final store I bought stuff from is Cotton On. First up, I got this gray zip up, which I'm very excited about. I saw a couple photos on Pinterest of people wearing stuff like this. I think Madison Beer wore something similar to this, and I really liked how the outfit looked, so I decided to get one. I probably wouldn't wear it with this shirt, but you kind of get the vibe. I never used to be a huge fan of zip ups, but now that I've seen more people wearing them, I actually have become a large fan. Why did I say it like that? I really like them. And then finally from Uniqlo, I got 3 different graphic tees. They're all kind of in the same color scheme. I forgot how uncomfortable skinny jeans are. Holy shit, these are tight. My butt looks good though. Top number 1 is in this purple color that I thought was really cool, and then it just has the name of this French artist on it, along with a quote from him on the back. I thought these colors were really cool together, so. Number 2 is the one I wore in my last video. I just really like the blue color of this. It's a little bit more plain, just says times change right here. This one's a bit more oversized, but it's super comfy. Third shirt is in the laundry, but it looks like this. And that is everything for in-store, so now moving on to online. First up, we've got this pair of biker shorts from Alo Yoga. I don't know why I never bought a pair of biker shorts, but these are super comfy, and they're a little bit tight, which is good for working out in as well. Vibes. I don't know, they just like, I feel like they're the perfect length as well. Like, hello? What a vibe. Because a lot of these were more oversized comfy clothes, I also ordered 3 things from Princess Polly. Oh, I'm sweating my balls off just filming this video. Holy shit. Okay. First top looks like this. It's one of these tie tops that I've actually been wanting for a long time. I was a little bit nervous about this because I don't have the biggest boobs, but I feel like I can get away with wearing a bra with this, which is nice. I thought black was also a super versatile color because you could also like layer this as just a cardigan on top of a bunch of other shirts. And then with this, I'm wearing this skirt that I ordered. This is actually from Motel Rocks, but I ordered it through Princess Polly. I'm obsessed with the color and the pattern. I just think it's really cute. Could do with it being a little bit shorter. Not gonna lie, but I still vibe with it. With sunglasses as well. Like, look how cute. And then the final thing I got from Princess Polly is unfortunately also in the wash, but I did post a photo wearing it on Instagram and I got a ton of questions about it. It's just this nude cropped cardigan. Finally, the only accessory that I bought throughout this, I wear this little black shoulder bag all the time, but I wanted to get another one in a different color. So I ordered this fake crocodile skin nude one. This one is from JW Pay. It's a little bit bigger too, so I can fit more stuff. Now moving on to the final 2 items. I got this activewear set from Set Active. The way this like sits on your body and just like cinches your waist in is so nice. The color is really pretty, and I love how the top is a little bit longer, so I feel like it can also double up as a shirt. Just everything about this, I don't know how to explain it. That is it for everything that I bought. I'm very happy with everything. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. Money well spent. And that is actually going to wrap it up for this video. I hope that this was enjoyable to watch. I am very excited to get this video up because I've been filming it for forever. I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!